Okay guys, today is my Windows 10 installation on my laptop. Skip. For any updates, okay. I'll set it up for personal use. Okay, just a moment. Oh, I want to know for my account. No, Microsoft account. Okay. I should have looked at it. Okay, super memorable password. Okay. Nope. I don't. Nope. I don't want a password. I'll keep it secret. Wait, my Cortana. Listen, look, Cortana. I'm not on an actual PC to talk to Cortana. I'm on a virtual machine. Okay, that's the last tip. What? Almost done now. We're just making a few things polished up. What the fuck? Okay, just a moment. Okay. Now. Oh, hi. We're getting everything ready for you. Okay. Oh. Uh-oh. Is that a black screen? Oh, this might take several minutes. I'll pause the recording. I'll be right back if it's done. Oh my goodness. We installed Firefox. I mean, okay. Let me install the drivers. Okay. Manage. Install VMware tools. Okay. Did not choose that. Install. Okay. When do the installation start? Yeah. This Novus is really crap for this one. Oh, come on, focus. Like this PC. Oh. VMware tools. Okay. No. I said I want VMware tools. Why not? Okay, it's starting right now. It says preparing VMware tools for installation and VMware tools. Starting. Let's wait for it until it starts. I'll be right back when it starts. What is wrong with the installation right now? Why wouldn't? Oh. Hello. Next. I want a complete installation, not a typical multiple VMware. This okay? Maybe complete. Let me install. I'll be right back if it's installed. Okay, it's installing video driver right here, not like Windows XP. Oh, wait. Some black screen of death. Oh, wait. I see a black screen without a cursor. Okay. Hurry up. Or else the upload it will be taking longer. No way. Okay, this is taking forever. For a long time. This is the black screen of death. Guess it's the black screen of death. I cannot install VMware tools due to the black screen of death. I don't know why this happened, because this problem is from the virtual machine. Guess what's that? I will start it. Well, no. It does not restart. This virtual machine is busy? Busy what? Oh, come on. Just a busy virtual machine. Oh, sir, control delete for that. Not working either. It's a full black screen of death. A full black screen of death. Not a blue screen of death. Neither a black screen, neither a red screen of death. This is all of a black screen of death. Okay. Let's screen it. Alright, it still works, but it has the black screen. Oh, just the Windows 8, the Windows 10 boot up sound, boot up animation. But okay, it's just loading. I'll be back. I'll be back when it's done. Tom, what is that? Black screen when booting? What is wrong with it? What is wrong with the virtual machine? Please tell me. Please tell me what's wrong with the virtual machine. It goes keeping with the black screen of death. Black screen of death. Not blue screen, neither a black, neither a white screen or kind of red screen up here in Windows Longhorn. Like, what is wrong with it? Black screen that shows nothing? What is wrong with it? This screen shows nothing. I restarted the virtual machine and it ended up as a black screen of death. Like, what's wrong with it? Come on, focus. What's wrong with the virtual machine itself? Okay. Power off. Power it on again. What is really happening with this virtual machine? And it shows like while booting black screen with no cursor, and it's nothing but a black screen of death. What is this crap? No. When I boot up, it just shows a black screen with nothing in it. Nothing. I do have to reinstall Windows 10, but I don't want to do that. But I have to reinstall Windows 10. I have no other choice but to reinstall Windows 10. Even when I am trying to restart or root it, it just shows nothing but like black. Black. Like, what is this? What? The honorable machine gun is that? What is going on here? Just black screen of death. Oh no! It's taking so long. I'll be right back when this honorable mention black screen of death is done. That is it. I quit installing Windows 10. And I'll have to reinstall it like a slow motion piece of crap. Like, I need to speed it up, but the virtual machine VMware does not have speed up function. What is this? What is this? Alright, the video has gone to 10 minutes now. You have got to be kidding me. What the honorable mention is that? What the honorable mention is that? Like, I didn't know that. But F8 does not work on Windows 10. You need Windows Vista or Windows XP, Windows 7 or Windows 2000, almost Windows ME to do that. That's it. I quit installing Windows 10. I'll install Windows XP instead.